we are here with the families who lost their homes in Sakoca, and the team with the Ministry of Housing officers decided to visit them and see how best we can be of any assistance to them. Unfortunately, 6 families have lost their homes, and there are students here, the elderlies, and sick people as well, whose homes have been lost just before Diwali. It's actually very sad. With Diwali a couple of days away from today, these families will need a lot of assistance, and the ministry has assistance for this family, which we'll try to speed up. As soon as we get the police report and the fire report, these families will be assisted with the immediate fire assistance relief. And for those who are under the social welfare scheme, we will work with the Fijian Insurance to see that their claims are also processed. Hopefully it's processed before Diwali, but it looks, it all depends on how soon we will get those reports. We're also here with the Housing Authority staff. We've had a word with the PS. We're trying to see if we could arrange, we're trying to see, we're not confirming it, but we're trying to see when working towards arranging some form of temporary shelter for the families who wish to move on, and those that wish to stay with their own families, etc. is okay. And to all the families out there, these families need your assistance, and it's Diwali. Please, in good spirits, come out and help these families. It will be very much appreciated. Okay.